In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. If you want to block notifications from any app without the need to uninstall it, here's how to do it using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit this section called Notifications and Status Bar. Now you need to scroll again and click on Newest next to App Notifications Management. This way you can pick one of those filters and see apps with newest notifications, most frequent notifications, all of your apps you have on your Vivo, and apps with notifications already disabled. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to switch them on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!